so that's our beginning, very slowly played. Obviously, it's very fast. We're going to start with this 5-4-5 on the D, B string open, pull off 2 to open on the G, 2 on the D. Okay, so 5-4-5, open 2, open 2. And then we go 3-2-3 on the A string, 2 to open, pull off on the G. So the whole thing is. And then we start the same, 5-4-5, open 2-0-2. Then we're gonna go open to 5 on the A. Then to the open D and back to that note. Even though those are the same notes, they sound different on different strings, right? So the whole thing. Okay, then we start again. Just like the first measure there, and then. Now this one's gonna go to the D string after that 2 on the G. 5-4-5, B string, 2 on the G, D, and then 2 to open, pull off to the G string open. So. Then we get into the chord thing. We got open 1, 2, and 3 on the big E string, and then we're going to be into a G chord. You could have that double 3 down there, just the 1 down there, whatever you want. But it's going to get into a thing. Janga jang, janga jang. So you got down up down, and then to the C. Oh 1, 2, 3 on the A string, and then janga jang, janga jang. Back to the G. Oh 1, 2, 3. This time we go 2, 3, 4 on the A to the D string. And we do that twice. Back to the leading into the G. So the big string O 1, 2, 3 leads into the G chord, obviously, and the open 1, 2, 3 on the A string leads into the C. Then the 2, 3, 4 open leads into the D or D7 chord there. And we really don't have time to play the D7. We have so many notes in the bass line to play, but there's like an overdubbed guitar where you can hear some of that D7 chord popping in there too. Okay, so let's look again at the leading into this pre-verse and verse where we get into the chords. So 1, 2, 3, janga jang, janga jang. G. D riff twice. Back to G. At the end, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, open. 1, 2, 3, janga jang, janga jang. That takes us back into the next one. And there's gonna be 4 sets of this. This is like a pre-verse 2 times. It's got a piano solo the second time, and then it's a verse twice. Okay, so let's go on back a little bit. Let's go back to the beginning. We got. Let's try that. 2, 3, and. Okay, so more up to speed, it'd be like 1, 2, 3. this is on an electric guitar, but I can't get the cleanest sound on my electric guitar with my rig I'm using right now. So sometimes to get a really clean thing, I'll use this acoustic guitar. But really, it's on an electric. Okay, now we're going to get into the chorus. It's going to go D, G, D to G again. Now there's some fancy little bending. He's like doing some little finger picking kind of stuff with some bends and stuff. We're going to get into that in the next lesson on this tune, and I'm going to get into the main solo on the next lesson. This one's going to be kind of a more simple one. So when we get to this chorus, we got D, G, D, G again, and then we're going to walk into the C with a 1, 2, 3 on the A string, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3 to get into the G, 3, 4 to the A, and then 2, 3, 4. So this is like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, 3, 4. We're gonna stop on that D note, and then back into the G. So this chorus again was 3, 4, G, D, G again. Now we're gonna go walk. 1, 2, C, 1, 2, G, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, D, and we stop right there, and then boom, 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 1, 2, 3 again. So back into the verse, 1, 2, 3. So you do that verse again, and then we're going to get into a little solo section here, just the beginning of it. Okay, so we have 5, 4, 5, 7 on the D. So the 4 and the G. 4 to 7. 7, 6, 7. 5 on the second, back to the 7 on the G. So it's. And then we go. So that one's G string, 5, 4, 5, 7, 5 on the B, back to 7 on the G. So 5, 7, 8, 7, 8, little 5, back to 8. So this whole thing is. And then we go. So 8, 7, 8, 5, 7. 8, 7, 8, 5, 7 to open B. And he's got like a blues B bender on his guitar, I think, on that one. We have 10 and 10 on the bottom two strings, and we bend that second string away from the first string. Keep the first string down there. So we bend up, we go down, and hit the 8 there on the second string. So it's. We do another upwards bend and a downwards bend, and kind of another 10 at the end there. Okay, and there's going to be more coming in the next lesson, coming very soon. Hope you dug this. Hot Dog, Led Zeppelin. Talk to you soon.